Hey guys, here in Michigan by a lake on a rainy day. It's really a lot more beautiful when it's sunny out, but the air here is just so fantastic, so fresh. As a New Yorker living in a metropolitan area, it doesn't compare. This air is so fresh. So relaxing. There's not many people for miles. I hope you guys are enjoying this view too. I know I'm moving the camera around a lot because I'm not a pro at this, but I hope you guys watching this enjoy the view. Look at those duckies coming over. What really struck me though as a New Yorker was how dark it gets in Michigan at night when you're driving. It's really pitch black. I As a New Yorker, we have streetlights everywhere, and without proper signage around here, you could easily drive into this lake. You guys should definitely come and check Michigan out. When I'm back at the office, I'm definitely going to be thinking of Michigan. First time in the great outdoors. Stars in the sky when you can see them. You know, not a cloud in sight when there's not a cloud in sight. Well, yeah, really at a loss for words for describing how beautiful Michigan is. I've come out here on a sunny morning just to drink coffee and stare into this lake for minutes. It's so calming. Later, guys.